Hey, how much do you guys pay in rent?
About $1,200.
Cool. Can you guys give me a tour of your apartment?
Yes.
And who's this little guy?
This is our roommate, Gus. My name's Luke. Welcome to Woodbridge Apartments on the east side of Bloomington.
And I'm Addie, and I live here with Luke and Gus. And this is our living room. It's forest themed, and there's a lot of room for us to sit and hang out and for Gus to sleep.
This is Gus's corner. He loves to hang out there. This is our home work setup for when we do different kinds of work, whether it's grad school work or like job work. And it's also Gus's favorite hangout spot.
Oh, you're in grad school. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so I study public and environmental affairs at O'Neill.
What are you concentrating in?
It's environmental policy and natural resource management.
So this is our outdoor space. Garden out here, have our bird feeder.
We cook a lot of good vegetarian stuff in here.
Another good perk about our apartment is that we also have in-unit washer and dryer. This is where we all sleep.
We have a sweet walk-in closet that came with storage already in it. We love that this place came with a fireplace. It's great when it gets cold here in the winter.
Thank you guys so much for giving me a tour of your apartment.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for coming.
See, high five. Yeah.